Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create yourself the Black Rose photo trend video on TikTok. So if you want to turn yourself someone from the Black Rose, then let me show you how to use this AI filter on TikTok. So before you begin, first go to your App Store or your Play Store, search for TikTok and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. In the app, you're going ahead and tapping on search and you're searching for Black Rose. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down and find the videos that are doing the trend. So for example, this one here and this one as well. So go ahead and tap on this. Now if you don't see it, you can go ahead and scroll to another video. So for example, this one here. So this is the effect you're looking for, Black Rose, tap on it. Now to use this effect, go ahead and tap on use this effect. And now you want to go ahead and point this camera to someone. Okay. And now you want to go ahead and point the camera to someone, or you can face it to yourself. Then tap on create. This will now take a picture of yourself or whoever you're pointing it to, and will create it into a Black Rose AI photo. And there you go, guys. Now once you're happy, tap next, type in your caption, tap post, and now that has been posted to your TikTok account. And there you go, guys. That is how to create the Black Rose AI photo filter. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.